Hey everyone! Today, we'll learn how to blur a face using CapCut on your PC or Mac. If you want to hide someone's identity or just blur a part of a video, this tutorial has got you covered. First, copy your video and paste it directly above your original clip in the timeline. This second layer is where we'll apply the blur effect. Click on Effects at the top. Look for the blur effect, usually under the lens section. If you can't find it there, check other sections for a regular blur. Once found, drag it onto your duplicated clip in the timeline. Select your second video, the one with the blur effect, and right-click. Choose Create Compound Clip. This merges the effect with your video so you can move and edit them together. With your compound clip selected, click Mask. Since we're blurring a face, choose the circle mask. Resize and position it over the face you want to blur. Adjust the feather slider to soften the edges and make it look natural. If the person or camera moves, you'll need to animate the mask. Go to the start of the clip, click Position Keyframe, and Size Keyframe if needed. Move forward in the video, reposition the mask over the face, and CapCut will automatically add keyframes. Repeat this process until the face is blurred throughout the clip. Once everything looks good, click Export to save your video. And that's it, you've successfully blurred a face using CapCut on PC or Mac. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more CapCut PC tips and tricks.